Welcome to ECNTRADE daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. It was a very volatile night after the PPI number came out on forecast at 0.1. However, retail sales in the US come out negative 1.1. This gave a erratic move for the US dollar, which headed flat after trading in a range of 101.24 to 102.63 and ended at 102.12. This also sent the markets in a bit of a spasm when it comes to the Australian dollar, as it took the challenge up towards the highs around 70.62 or near the objective of 71 cents and was rejected and left a shooting star, which is somewhat negative. Keep an eye on this pattern as it might break down further and look towards the region coming in at 68, 80, 90 and reassess from there. The euro got very close to its objective of 109, 40, 65 area, but found the rejection quite heavy and ended in a gravestone doji. This is somewhat negative and therefore could see a little bit further to the downside, and that is towards the region of 107, 45, 65. The key area, a break there would give further scope to 106.30. Having given an impressive rally, the market ran into trouble just above the key area around 130.75, 95. Having posted an intraday high of 131.56, the market plummeted and now looks back towards the bottom side of its range, which is seen roughly around 127.35 to the key area of 126.65, 75, which I do anticipate a rebound. I'm not going to discard or abandon the topside challenge, as I feel we will see a revisit there also. Sterling reached its objective of 124, but found good supply or bearish ambush that sent the market lower and now looks back towards the bottom side of the range, which is close towards the region of 122.45 or 121.80, 85. In light of the current patterns, it seems that most of the markets quite nearly or didn't quite get to their objectives, but very close. So with the sterling reaching its objective, I'm expecting to see a little bit of weakness into today's price action. Gold was also slightly erratic after it took the challenge and printed an intraday high of 1,925, just near that cap around 1,930, but dropped away. I think the market's looking a little bit weaker as the technicals are holding quite heavy and therefore do anticipate a move towards the bottom side, anywhere towards 1,891 to 93, with a key base seen at 1,875. And finishing up with oil, on the market stabbed above that level of 81 but didn't sustain and found an ambush by the bears, and the market has plummeted back towards 79.60 as we trade now. I feel there is a little bit more weakness with the bearish divergence coming in. The rejection to the top side does view a pullback now towards the region of 78.50, and a break there gives further scope down to $76 a barrel. Well, that wraps it for the morning. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoyed a great start to the day.